I'm Logan Crawford, and right now on Spotlight, we're examining the Mediterranean diet. Top medical institutes such as the Mayo Clinic say there is definitive evidence that the Mediterranean diet is the perfect diet for good health. Interest in the diet began back in the 1950s when it was noted that heart disease was not as common in Mediterranean countries as it was in the U.S. Since then, numerous studies have confirmed that the Mediterranean diet helps prevent heart disease and stroke. The Mediterranean diet is a way of eating that's based on the traditional cuisines of Greece, Italy, and other countries that border the Mediterranean Sea. Plant-based foods such as whole grains, vegetables, legumes, fruits, nuts, seeds, herbs, and spices are the foundation of the diet. Olive oil is the main source of added fat, but here's a question for you. Are you getting all the nutrition you need to get the protective benefits of this wonderful eating plan? We'll be right back after this.
Scientific research has shown that the Mediterranean diet protects against NCDs, non-communicable diseases such as obesity, neurodegenerative, and cardiovascular diseases. Vitamins, polyphenols, particularly from olives, and microelements are major responsible for this protection. The Magisnet spin-off, based at Atlanta Tech Park, builds its scientific research on the natural molecules of typical plants of the Mediterranean diet. The daily dose of Garlive Recovery, or Garlive Oral Spray, contains more olive polyphenols than in 7 flaws of extra virgin olive oil, and the concentration of vitamins is higher than that found in 14 ounces of fruit. Available on Amazon at a special price for this month only.
Welcome back to Spotlight. Add years to your life and life to your years by utilizing the Mediterranean diet. And when you need a supplement, consider Garlive. The links for more information are posted below. I'm Logan Crawford, thanking you for your time this time. Until next time on Spotlight.